Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Tracy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for September is Traci. She provided this mood board as our inspiration piece. This is layout number 3, and these are the papers that I had in my page kit within my kit for layout number 3. I am going to document 2 photographs of my little guy at a pumpkin patch. So this is a fallish layout. Next, I'm going to show you the embellishments that I pre-selected. Oh, and here are the 2 photographs. And I have selected 2 washi tapes that are glitter. And I also have a die-cut row of pumpkins and bats. And then these acrylic pieces here. And then this corner black scrap paper and 2 alphas. Off camera, I cut my 3 papers. And so the first one is 5 inches. And then the next one is 5 inches. And then the next one is 2 inches. Then I'm going to use the washi tape to separate each of those patterns. Before I forget it, let me remind you that I will have the Mini Kit Monday ladies links to their channel listed below. So be sure to go check them out. And also I will have the link to our Facebook group site. I am trimming out a 4x4 card, and that would be the orange one that you will see in a minute that says, I am so glad to live in a world where there are Octobers. And that is the truth. Fall is my favorite time of the year. And as I was telling you to check out the other Mini Kit Monday ladies, you notice that I matted each of my photographs using that black and white striped paper. All right, so my 4x4 card finds its home in the lower right-hand side. This black dolly will find its home on the right-hand side, tucked under the photograph and that 4x4 card. Next, I am going to bring in that row of black bats and stars. You would have to pause this video and zoom in to see that because they are so small, but those are of bats and stars, and I place them next to that glitter washi tape on the right hand side. Then for that row of pumpkins, it finds its home in the upper left hand corner, and then I will add the 3 jewels to the life card there on the right hand side. Then you're going to see me place my title on the right-hand side, the upper right-hand corner, but it ends up being moved over on top of those row of pumpkins. And my title will say, Choices So Many. And then my final touch will add some Dilution Shimmer Spray in Tangerine Dream. And I add very, very light splatters. And that completes, well, no, it doesn't complete my layout. I will point out that I added this paper that's almost like a tissue paper, but it's actually paper that I torn, and I tucked that under that 4x4 card. And you'll see that in a minute. Right now, of course, you are watching me MacGyver the letter P, I think it is, or Q, to make a C because I had no more C's left on this alpha. So there you go. So now you see where I have my title, Choices So Many, and then some little dots from the alpha stickers. And there's that torn green paper, just brings in the color of that pattern paper with the clocks on the left hand side, brings your eye diagonally across to the lower right. All right, my layout is complete. We will see you next time. Bye.